Hello everyone, Sam here from creativetradingsystems.com, making this a small video about as a weekly recap about the trades taken last week. So let's get started. The week started on the November 14th till today, November 18th, right? 5 days. Nothing happened on the 14th. The game started on the 15th. So this is the first trade, pound USD on the 15th for 150 pip. Right from here and then straight going to the upside. And here's the buy order, SL move to break even plus, and this is my setup. This yellow line has to be above the black. This indicator all the way down, going up, price making higher low, and red candle turns blue, and like 4 or 5 conditions, and I open the trade and place the sell right here, and my SL is always 25 pip. So if I lose 25 pip. And most of the time, I don't even lose that much because when the price moves a little bit in my favor, I move. Like, for example, if I make an entry here, the price move here. So I come and sit on a break even. The price comes back and take me out at a break even. So no loss, no gain. Most of the time that happens. So anyway, so this is the first trade, pound USD, 150. Second, pound yen, the same day on the 15th. Oh, sorry. Yeah, USD yen. It is a sell trade for 100 pip. Right there's the entry. This was the entry, the first entry. Like I said, exactly that the price went down here. So my SL, I moved my SL here. Right here, you can see that it took me out. And then again, since the scenario was the same, short, this pair is supposed to go down. And then I got another entry. This indicates all the way up, coming down. Blue candles turn red, and I open the trade again here for 100 pip. So the first entry, no loss, no gain. Second entry, 100 pip. On the 16th, again, nothing happened. And then on the 17th, the game started. Again, sell order here for Aussie USD for 70 pip on the 17th. Everything you will see that it is exactly by the setup, nothing without the setup. 17th, this is the entry here, Euro Aussie. Buy order here for on the 17th for 100 pip. I also have this one for 100 pip from the other account. I'll show you later. This was going on. This is on the 15th. Entry was the 15th, but it came down here. So I said, okay, let it go and see what happens. The next day it went up all the way here. So the other one, I took this entry as well, but on the other account. So this and this both are close way up there. This is for 100 pip here. Now, this one, pound USD, again to the downside. This first entry, again, what happened? I went short here. It came down, as sitting on the break even, my SL. I moved to the break even. The price went up, took me out, and then again, no loss. And this is again the second entry, all the way down 60 pip. Not much, but yes, market didn't move much this week. So on the 17th, USDCAD went up straight here for 60 pip also. And again, by the book entry. Here, USD yen, same thing, just like USD CAD, USD yen, USD on the left-hand side. So USD CAD, USD yen, and USD franc usually move in the same direction at the same time because of the USD weakness or strength. 50 pip here with USD yen. And on the 17th, this is the other computer on the laptop, another account. And remember the first one and the first entry I was showing here, right? So I held this one here and closed. And this entry, I held it all the way even higher, again 100 pip from there, on 17 from Euro Aussie. And on the 18th, again, only one trade, pound Aussie here all the way. See, this yellow came below the black and no entry. Again, here was the entry. The price went up. My SL was here. It went up all the way there. My SL came to break even. Boom, I'm out, right? Then again, this started to go, and then my SL was here, and I held the SL here until it started to go all the way here. Then I moved my SL to break even and all the way to 85. That's it. So these are the few trades, 8 or 9 trades today. I mean, not today, this week. Last week I had 17 trades. So like I said, that market is slowing down a little bit. November, right? So a lot of things coming, Thanksgiving, and then in December, school, off, and then the Christmas and all that. So this is a slow time coming in, and it is a very good time for learning. If you can, if you want to learn, if you are in need of learning, you can learn a lot of things here. Also, I post these entries here on my Telegram channel. You can see that this is where I post my charts, my analysis, the videos, explaining everything, like US dollar index. Oh, by the way, let me show you um, the US dollar index, what was happening and what it is. This is a chart for US dollar index I made on 15th October, that this is where it's going to make the turn and go down here. At least 1753 was my initial target. And right now, the current chart is this. See that it make the turn exactly from there, and then drop all the way big time, all the way here to very close to 1450 instead of 17. So this is how it is. And when US dollar is going down, what happened? 4 pairs where the US is on the right hand side go up, and 3 pairs will go down. That's what happened. So you have multiple choice, basically multiple trades in hand, 7 different pairs, right? So Euro USD, pound USD, or the USD, the USD on the right hand side, those 4 pair will go up with the USD weakness, and 4 will go down. USDCAD, USD franc, USD yen. That's why you see USDCAD, USD, to the short side. So anyway, now it's going up, and it's probably going to go back to 1753. Just like this US dollar index, I have analysis and I have chart made for almost every single currency, 7 major currencies: pound, euro, Aussie, Aussie, yen, CAD, franc, and USD, of course. And according to that, so we get multiple opportunities this way. So if you like what you saw, you want to be a part of it, you can go to my website here and subscribe and start learning. Get the setup. Today is Friday evening, right? So you can get the system and start setting up the charts over the weekend, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, and from Monday you can do it. And if you are in need of really need to learn a lot of like basic and then more advanced and all that, I mean the whole line yard that Forex trading has to offer, or trading, because this system you can use in not only in Forex but in commodities, oil, gold, stock market, bond, anything that you can have the chart in MT4. So MT4, this my EA the works in MT4. So any chart, anything, any instrument that you can have in MT4, yeah, the settings are different, which I let you know when you sign up. So, and like I said, if you need in need of learning from the beginning, then you can go and sign up for one-on-one course. This is a like 10-hour course over the Zoom. Me personally teaching only alone to you, and then you get or you learn everything, every single thing: harmonic patterns, Elliott waves, how to measure these things with Fibonacci and trend lines and SNL levels, every single thing, right? I've been doing this more than almost like 14, 15 years now. And yeah, I can teach you almost every single thing Forex trading has to offer, or even trading altogether. You learn about these patterns, these possibilities. So every point, what happened everywhere you go, the price moving, and it has two opportunities. Two opportunities either go up or down. But what are those points, and how to locate them and then trade them accordingly with my system, with the perfect entry and only 25 pip a sell. If you lose 25 pip. But if you make, then you make like, these are the amounts: 85, 100, 50, 60, 60, but 100, 70, and sometimes, more than 100, a lot, 150, right? So that's how it is. So this is it for now. And just wanted to let you know. And like I said, that If you like, you go on my website and subscribe. So this is it. Thanks for watching and have a very, very wonderful weekend.